Hi everyone, I have an unboxing video. Okay, so I did this previously, but my audio wasn't working. So I don't know what happened there. Everything is unpacked, but I'm still going to show you because I'm super excited. So first things first, I got a little water dish. My brushes come across. I know it looks like no big deal, but you know what it is. And I also got scratch brush brass pen style, because this has little rough edges on the bottom. Anyway, neither here nor there, but I'm going to be using this with metal clay because I started with resin. So resin can be used with metal clay and with polymer clay, I think. I don't know. I could be wrong. I'm going to try it, you know. So, yep, black polymer clay. I'm going to see. I don't know, but it's going to be fun to explore. And I got silicone jewelry molds. Little baby faces. I love animals, so this is a little cat. These are little cat faces. 2 of these ceramic tiles. Geometric earrings. This will be fun. Texture tile seashells. Can you see that? Bloom texture jewelry artist elements. Bloom. Oh. Okay, so that's going to be fun too. And Tree of Life. Yes. Oh my goodness. And crosses. Okay, well, it's really pretty. Oh. And 2 different style butterfly patterns or texture mats. Yeah. See that? Okay, so much fun. I'm going to be demonstrating all this fun stuff in future videos, so I hope to see you there.